Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Islam Quiz Learn. 50 Islamic quizzes in English to test your knowledge about Islam. Ready? Let's begin. Bismillah. What does Hijrah mean? Migration. When did the Hijrah occur? (622 CE). From which city did it start? Mecca. To which city did it go? Madinah. Who migrated with the Prophet? Hazrat Abu Bakr. What cave did they hide in? Thawr. How long stayed in cave? (3 days). Who brought them food? Hazrat Asma. What title did she earn? ذات النطاقين. Who followed their tracks? Quraysh. Who was hired as guide? Ibn Urayqit. What animal did Prophet ride? Camel. Who offered large reward? Quraysh. How much was the reward? (100 camels). Who nearly caught the Prophet? Suraqah. What happened to Suraqah's horse? Fell. What saved the Prophet? Spider web. Which bird guarded the cave? Dove. What lesson did Hijrah teach? Trust Allah. What marked new Islamic calendar? Hijrah. Who planned to kill Prophet? Quraysh chiefs. Who left Ali in Prophet's bed? Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Why was Ali left behind? Return trusts. How old was Prophet at Hijrah? "53. What month did Hijrah start? Muharram. What month did Prophet reach Madinah? Rabi al-Awwal. What tribe welcomed Prophet? Who competed to host Prophet? Every family. Where did camel stop finally? Abu Ayyub's house. Who hosted Prophet in Medina? Abu Ayyub. What was built first in Medina? Mosque. What was that mosque called? Masjid Quba. Who built Masjid Quba? Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. What was the second mosque built? Nabawi. How many days at Quba? Four. What relationship did Prophet form? Brotherhood. Who were the Muhajirun? Migrants. Who were the Ansar? Helpers. What agreement united both groups? Charter. What was the Medina Charter? Constitution. Who wrote the charter? Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. What did charter promote? Peace. What marked new unity? Ummah. What direction faced early prayers? Jerusalem. When Qibla changed to Mecca? PBUH. What symbolized Islamic Brotherhood? Both. Who were Prophet's main helpers? Ansar. What did Hijrah separate? Truth and falsehood. What year marked new era? Hijrah. What does Hijrah symbolize today? Faith and sacrifice. Jazakallah khair for joining us on Islam Quiz Learn. How did you do with today's challenge? Count your score and share it in the comments below. We have loved to see if you hit that perfect 50. Stay connected for more daily lessons to enrich your faith and explore the noble Quran. Subscribe now, join our thriving community, and keep unlocking the treasures of Islam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.